The sun is blazing hot, and we are ready. This is a house from outside. It's kind of sunny. I should have brought my glasses, but whatever. I'm half asleep still. I'm gonna get food and see what's up. It's probably very shaky right now, so I'm gonna stop the video. Peace. So here we are, still walking. Now we're passing some kind of stadium or something. The football team. Honestly, I haven't really eaten anything. I'm so tired. For my future me, I hope that it is not shaking so much. So I gotta be walking while we're doing this. And I don't have a stabilizer or nothing like that. So I'm trying my best, you know, to keep it not moving and shaking, but I'm always shaking. Look at this, so they have a bicycle. We have a bicycle, a green bicycle. That's hilarious. And then the regular one. It's a church over there. I think that's the mailman. Yes, it is. It's just crazy. So everybody here is bitching about how hot it is and stuff. But honestly, I think it's because they're used to the cold. Because I haven't even taken the shower yet. And I'm not cold. I mean, I'm not hot at all. Yeah, the sun is something, but I'm burnt from Croatia. Haven't taken a shower. I'm all sticky. Still. It's also in the morning, so we'll see what happens later. Later afternoon. We'll see if it's way too hot. Not afternoon, but maybe middle of the day. Look at these houses. It looks amazing. Okay. So here we go. So we need to make a right. We're gonna do it. Now. That's the gym. Awesome. TK Maxx. So here we got the Pizza Hut, KFC, there's a small piazza over here. This is amazing. Burger King. Oh, I think that's a mall over there. So this is the entrance, but they got like the big ass sign to the side. So that looked like the entrance, which is weird. Look at the fucking size of this place. Oh my god. It's really big. Corrected, this is more like a Walmart than a Publix. This thing is huge. So I'm getting my own little cart thing. So I guess I have half a cart. Here you go. I mean, if you don't want to do that many groceries, I guess they give you half a cart instead of a full-on cart, right? All right, here we go. Look, they sell shirts by the package. Like here we are fancy, so you gotta wear it, even if it's cheap. Look at the pants, same thing. That's a little funny. Gnomes. Gnomes. Yeah, this is definitely a Walmart. They have everything in here. She just said banana. I also don't want to bring too much food, so I filled up their fridge, you know. So I want to bring enough as well. So I don't know what to bring or with what. Remember that walk that I was doing? Whatever I get, then I'm gonna have to walk back with it. So I'm being very careful what I choose. I don't want to get too much. Well, look how many crisps these people got. No wonder Lauren loves to fucking eat this shit. So many. And I don't even know what's what or which one's good, at least. So whatever I choose, I'm gonna choose like a full pound of it, and I don't know if it's good. I'm all done. Look how much shit I got. I'm gonna try this roasted chicken crisp. See how it goes. Hope for the best. This place is good. The meat is way cheaper, way cheaper than Miami, but they don't have as much vegetables and fruits as I expected. But it's well nice. So I got my stuff. Now I'm going somewhere else to pay. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I guess I did something wrong. It's very complicated how we pay here. You gotta do everything yourself, and if you don't know, you're fucked. This is second class that just gets fucked for no reason, but here we are. Walking with the groceries back home. It's about like a 20-minute walk. So I guess I'm gonna be working out today too. It's not hot at all. I don't know why they say that it's hot in London, but it's not. So wish me luck, because I might get lost. So I just ate a full-on steak with mushrooms, garlic, butter. It's pretty good. I'm fucking tired. I started trading again. Y vamos y hacemos mi maleta. ¿Estamos ready así? Ya lo que hice. Eso tienes que bajar un poquito porque si esto lo metes con el agua se va a cocinar más. Eso, para medir la temperatura. Ah. Es una cámara. Y yo siempre me la paso grabando toda mierda.